slowing down using the brake, and then obviously we can see the stop sign and the stop line. Hey guys, welcome to another video. So this one, it's another short one where I show you a fault from a previous mock test, a serious driving fault that a learner made, and then I'll be demonstrating on exactly what the learner should have done, and how to deal with it. So this week's driving fault was at a stop sign, and it's quite a common one, a pretty simple one as well, but still a lot of people do tend to make it. So watch this fault please.
At the end of the road, turn left.
Here we have a stop sign at which Alina doesn't fully stop. Now I'm on the same road as where that stop sign is. So stop signs, they'll be at high risk junctions, so your view is normally restricted, and the view for the traffic on the main road is quite restricted too. So it's important you stop and just ensure it's safe before emerging out. So let me show you exactly how to deal with it. A couple of things that I'll be talking you through, which a lot of people do ask me: should you use a handbrake at a stop sign, or is it okay to do without the handbrake? You don't have to use the handbrake, but one of the main reasons we do ask you guys to use the handbrake, it just ensures that you stopped. Because a lot of people do stop just using the brake, and they think they're fully stopped, but they haven't actually fully stopped. But whereas if you've used the handbrake, that's obviously confirmation that you did fully stop. So I would advise you guys to use the handbrake, even if it's just for a second. So let me show you how to do it. Okay, so here's the junction. I'll be turning left. So first thing, center mirror, left mirror, then signaling left, slowing down using the brake, and then obviously we can see the stop sign and the stop line. So I'm going to stop just at the line, not too far back. So I've stopped, I've applied the handbrake, and now you can see it's clear. It's going to edge out to get a better view as well, and it is clear. And now I'm going to merge out, and after entering the new road, as I speed up, check my center and right mirror. Okay, so that's it guys. That's what to do at a stop junction. And like always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.